In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Bose soundbar. So resetting your soundbar can be useful if you want to forget connected devices, or if you're having issues with the hardware and you just want to reset it back to its factory defaults. Then what you need to do is just come round to the back of the soundbar like so, and you need to locate the power cord that runs from your Bose soundbar to the wall socket. And then we're just going to remove this from the power like so, and you'll need to leave this unplugged for at least 60 seconds. So once you've waited 60 seconds, we can then replug this back into the power, and just doing this alone is going to be enough in most cases to reset your soundbar. However, depending on the model of soundbar that you're using, there could be a few extra steps that are required that we can perform on the Bose soundbar remote control. For my particular model of soundbar, if I just hold down the Bluetooth button like so, you'll see I now get this blinking blue light, and once you see this light on the soundbar, you'll then be able to disconnect any of the devices that are currently connected to the soundbar. So if you're connected to your mobile phone or any other devices, then you'll need to go ahead and disconnect those now. And once you've disconnected from the soundbar, you're then ready to repair your device. So just go ahead and connect the new device that we want to pair with the soundbar. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.